Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins at the Closing Market Minute. Grains and oilseeds did finish higher on Monday, with corn and soybeans up ahead of the USDA's weekly crop progress and condition numbers. As expected, the USDA did confirm the slower than average planting paces for both of those major crops. And in addition, the corn condition rating was down from last week, and the first condition rating for soybeans was considerably below a year ago. Wheat, though, is in the lead, with Chicago and Kansas City up pretty solidly on continued concerns about protein content for this year's winter wheat crop. Winter wheat harvest remains slower than average, and spring wheat development's also behind the normal pace. USDA is putting out acreage and quarterly grain stocks numbers on Friday, but it remains to be seen just how seriously those reports are going to be taken. Live cattle were mixed, watching the distribution of this week's new show list, which overall looks mostly lower than last week. Feeders were down on that higher move in corn. Hogs were sharply lower, with expanded trading limits on follow-through selling and demand uncertainties. Some of those are connected to China. The United States and China are expected to meet later this week at the G20 summit in Japan. It's unlikely anything's going to happen in this round of negotiations, but any kind of progress would definitely be welcome. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.